Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how to paint this beautiful vivid butterfly in Procreate, and we will use the symmetry tool again. You can use your own sketch or use the download from the video description. Tap on the wrench icon, choose Add, and depending where you saved your picture, insert a file or insert a photo. If you've chosen my canvas size with 297 by 210 millimeters and 300 dpi horizontal, your sketch will fit perfectly. Create a new layer with the plus symbol and drag it below your sketch. Tap on the wrench icon again, choose Canvas this time and activate the drawing guide. Then Edit Drawing Guide, Symmetry, and in the options choose Vertical and activate Assisted Drawing. Everything you paint will be mirrored on this middle line. Your active drawing layer is now labeled, but you have to activate the assist for every new layer again. Today we only use Procreate standard brushes. You will find them under the category Painting, where we use mainly the Tamar and the wet acrylic. Now to the colors we want to use today. It's this color palette, and you also find a download link in the video description below. One important note. You see my sketch is fitting exactly to the mirror line, so if you use your own sketch, use also the symmetry tool to create it. So you have an exactly mirrored right and left side. Lower the opacity of your sketch, but activate your new layer afterwards. Now choose your Tamar brush and black as your color. You can choose black with a double tap on the lower area here. My brush size is 1%. This should be okay for the thinner lines. It's important to create a new layer for every part of the body. Then you've got more flexibility in a later painting stage. You don't have to follow your sketch too exactly, and as you can see, it's perfectly mirrored. Create a new layer for the eyes. To fill a closed shape, just drag your fill color into it. Create a new layer for the body and always activate the drawing assist. And another one for the markings in a different color. You cannot fill the body shape because it isn't closed. And the eye layer should be above the body layer. Now I close the body shape and fill it with black. I make the eye layer visible again. Then I activate Alpha Lock. Now you can only change the pixels which are already there. Now you can fill this layer with a violet color just by choosing Fill Layer. Let me correct the order for a while. So the antennas as the first layer and the eyes below. Drag your sketch down, create a new layer and activate the drawing assist. So next on your new layer, we draw the shape of the wings with the same Tamar brush at 3%. To avoid the problem with the unclosed shape, uncheck the layer above and close it. Now you could theoretically fill the layer. Repeat this process below your first wings layer on a new layer. I decrease my line size to 2%. And let's close the shape again. Mark your first wings layer as a reference layer. This enables me to fill the wing shape on a new layer. Choose the light blue color and the wet acrylic brush. The line size varies also by the tilt of your pencil. Beginning at the inner junction of the wing, I'm trying to achieve a smooth transition between all the blue tones. Starting with the lightest tone, and in the direction to the outer edge you get darker and darker. I also chose the wet acrylic for the smudge tool, and I used this to smooth some of the harder edges. I meet my middle blue with a darker tone from the outer edge. For the blue wing layer, I activate the alpha lock to stay inside of the shape. Work on your transitions using the smudge tool and by going back and forth with your tones. Repeat this until you're happy with your result. We use the same process for the other wing. So we go to our lower wings, label this one as the new reference layer now. Of course, only one layer can be the reference layer. Create a new layer and drag this one below the wing layer. And we start by filling this one with the blue middle tone again. Don't forget to activate the drawing assist first. It's a clean fill because we closed the shape before. Activate the alpha lock again. You can see that you've done this by the transparent pixel behind your drawing. Now you use the same process, working through your blue tones, like you did for the upper wings. I want to make the edges black. Choose the wet acrylic again, and we use it at 5%. To get a smooth transition, I work between the colors again. I merge the two pairs separately and make a few corrections. I thicken the edges with the tamar. And create a smaller transition with the wet acrylic. I draw some additional arcs onto the lower wings. Your imagination knows no limits here. I do the transition with the wet acrylic again. Now I place the sketch in front, so that I can see which patterns I still have to do, and I create these above the wings. Let us create some thinner decoration lines with the tamar. To change the brush options, I make a duplicate of the tamar and make a small change inside of it. Go to Taper, Pressure Taper, and we want the end of the line tapered as much as possible. And I change the size until I'm happy with the result. We have a size of 1% now. Now when I draw a line, you can see how it tapers at the end. Now I forgot to activate the drawing assist. To correct this, I make a duplicate of the layer, select my lines with the arrow tool, I choose flip horizontal and drag the layer to its new position. I merge these layers because I only need one. Et voila, our finished bright butterfly. If you liked my little tutorial, hit like, subscribe, or visit my website for more inspiration.